Hey guys, it's your girl Jamaican Pineapple and welcome to our next episode of Acne. This episode is not an episode of niceness. My face is flaring up. I have a lot of discoloration all over my face and I want to attack. Yes, I'm gonna play ninja. Anyways, don't mind if you see I am waist training because I put on a lot of weight, but that is not the topic today. Today, what I want to do my first attempt of doing a DIY, a face mask, whereby I'm going to use rice flour, honey, and 2 eggs. I'm trying to clear up these acne. So let's just go into it. I also have my fork, and I'm going to use my fork to whisk as well. So let me just break this down. Sorry about that. Yeah. And I'm only going to use the egg white. Only the egg white. Oh, this is, that never went so well. A little bit of yolk fell in and I'm still going to use it. I don't care. So this one, let me try to be better. Egg white. Yeah. And then I'm going to add, I'm just eyeballing everything. A little bit of honey. Yeah. And then that again. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour or show the my camera is not focusing and I'm not going to do more about this video because I did it like 3 times already and I failed and I want to get this done. So I'm just going to pour rice flour inside my egg white and honey until it gets to the way that I want it to be. So this is a total mess. So I'm going to, normally if you have a whisk, it would be much easier for you to do, but you get the grit. And this is what I'm going to, if you have lemon, you could also use lemon because vitamin C helps in clearing up discoloration as well. Yeah. So let us speed it up. When you see a problem, if you have a problem, attack that problem. Everything in life is just by chance, it's just decisions. So I cannot take this anymore. I am feeling so insecure with these pimples on my face. Every time I'm on the streets or anytime I go, I don't even want to meet up with my boyfriend because I'm looking very ugly in the last days. So I'm not feeling myself. My face is breaking out. I am getting fat. I don't know what to do. And summer is coming. I am not even doing it for summer, but overall, I just want to feel great in my skin, and I'm not feeling great at the moment due to how my skin is acting up on me. I think this consistency is good. Or I don't even know, I speak German and English. Sometimes I always search for words. So sorry if I make any grammatical mistake. English is not my mother tongue. German is not my mother tongue. This language has been thrown down on us from slavery. So yeah, but I don't want to get into that. I wish I could speak like an African language, Yeah. I do speak patois, but it's it's like broken English anyways. I think this is pretty good. So from there on, I'm going to apply this to my face, let it dry, wash my face, pat my face, and what I'm doing now, I'm getting all this muck off my face because I have a little of a foundation and foundation cannot help. I know I'm having powder on my face. So I'm going to take off all this muck because you have to apply the mask on freshly washed face and clean face. Makes no sense to do a mask and put it on over the makeup, because that will just worsen the situation, and that's not what we want to do. We want to make it better. So yeah, and this is what I'm using to wash my face. This is from Kiehl's, a facial fuel. And yeah, I know I don't have to do this, but let me just look at how dirty the brush gets. Yeah, so this is all makeup. You see, skin problem? People are so conscious about your skin. I am so conscious about my skin, because it really makes you feel as if something is wrong with you. I'm going to put it under my chin as well. Yeah. So I'm going to try this thing for 1 week and see how it goes. I'm going to wait for it to dry up, and when it dries up, I want to see if there's a difference. And then I'm going to do it for 7 days and then see how I keep up and how my skin reacts, because I hope there is a difference. I'm telling you guys that I do not feel comfortably in my skin. I always have eye bags. Regardless of how long I've slept, eye bags are always there. But what I want to tell girls out there is that your skin doesn't define you. You still have to be strong. You still have to go out there. You still have to do your thing. You know, like, even though I'm saying it, sometimes it does irritate me. It irritates me that my skin, I'm like, sometimes you go on Instagram or you go on Facebook or whatever, you go on social media or you open the magazine and you see all of these flawless beauties. I say, why my skin cannot be like that? But when I come back to reality, I'm saying, like, this is what it is. Pineapple, you have to work with your skin like this. Anybody that is together with you, anybody that is around you, whether friends or whether on a platonic level or in a more intense level, the person have to just accept you as you are, because this doesn't define my character. This doesn't define how amazing and beautiful I am, because I am an amazing soul. I have a good heart and all of that. But yeah, not everybody was born to be beautiful. This looked like a right bump. Yeah, so I'm going to wait for it to clear up, to dry up, I mean, but it's going to take forever. So after it dries up, I will show my face once again. This is the finished product. This is the way my face is looking after it dries up. It looks really terrible. So I'm going to wash off this now. It's like a facelifting, I think, because my face is so tight at the moment I can hardly talk. So I will be doing this for the next 7 days, and then at the 7 days I will give you an update so far. So I'm just going to wash it off my face. I don't think there's going to be pretty much of a big difference. So as I said, I always have eye bags, and this is my face freshly washed. And I'm just going to pat dry my face. There is not so much difference from what I was working with in the beginning, but all I can say is that my face feels very soft. And if you want to see the result, if these scars are going to disappear, tune in and wait for the update. I will be doing it for 7 days to see what happened afterwards. I'm just going to apply this on my face. It's not focusing. It's like a vitamin C serum, and it helps against dark pigmentation. So it's about it. So thank you for liking and subscribing to Jamaican Pineapple TV. If you want to see if my skin has improved, just tune in, click the subscribe button, click the bell, and you will always get updates when Jamaican Pineapple TV upload a video. It's very good to massage under your eyes, guys. So thank you again. This was my first attempt on doing a DIY. It took a lot of work. Yes, people. So if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, just give me a thumbs up. Yes, it's your girl Jamaican Pineapple TV. I'm out. Boom. Bang.